Good morning!
Good morning, guys. Ati's going to school now. We're just dropping her. Come on. Let's drop Ati. Come. Ito rin siya ay papasok. Drop muna namin ang ating ate. Say bye-bye na. Go, bye-bye, Ate. Hey. Ate, give Linya a cuddle. We're going. You're a big girl na. Yeah, give Mama a kiss. Here. I'll bring out your homework.
I can what about your answer?
Yeah, I did. Oopsie. Look. Drop lang.
I'm gonna have a drink of water. Oh wait, this is easy.
Hmm?
This is easy.
Yeah, I did open it. You ran it. My very strong. Oh, where's your bag? Where is it?
Here.
Oh, shush. Okay, Mama will grab it for you. Okay.
Okay.
Ready, steady?
Go.
Wow, hindi na siya umiyak. No, pabait na yun siya ngayon.
Mama.
No?
Lenny did it.
Na ano na siya, parang nasanay na siya. Lenny did it. Uy, can you give Mama my key, please? Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's currently 9:30 in the morning. So, dinrap ko si Ate Paris first. And then, I realized na hindi ko pala siya napadalhan ng brain break. So, yung ginawa ko, dinrap ko si Baby Celine. And then, pumunta ako ng shop. Bumili ako ng saging. Nag-drive ako pabalik sa school ni Ate Paris para dalhin yung brain break niya. So, nag-worry ako, guys. Kasi, this is the longest time na mag-isa si Louie dito sa bahay. Pagkapasok ko talaga, tinignan ko siya. He looked at me, nakaupo lang siya. And I look around, kung may ihi ba sa sahig or may mga nangat-ngat ba or anything like that. Everything seems to be fine. He seems to be doing really well. So nakaano siya, guys, meron siyang yung toilet niya. And since yesterday, alam niya kung saan siya umiihi. So, dogs are really smart. It's really good. Louie, come. Come here. Come. Do you want to say hi to Tita and Tito? Come. Come on. Yay. Good boy. Come. Look. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning! Welcome back to our channel! Kami na lang ngayon ng ating Louie nandito sa bahay. Where's Atis? They're at school, aren't they? Such a good boy you are. Such a good boy you are. See, tinawag ko siya, guys. And to be honest sa inyo, he's been with us since Wednesday. So, ito yung second day niya dito sa bahay. And nung dumating siya nung Wednesday afternoon, obviously, bago sa kanya lahat, parang hindi pa siya masyadong komportable and all. And ako din, guys, nasabi ko na sa inyo before, I never had a pet before na puppy. So, parang kailangan ko rin mag-adjust. But you know what? Daddy Mike is so in love with him. And so was Paris. Celine, medyo takot pa si Baby Celine, guys. Minsan lumalay si Baby Celine, natatakot siya, tumatakbo siya. But slowly, tinuturuan siya ni Daddy Mike. Yesterday afternoon, si Daddy Mike pumunta ng gym. So, kami lang dalawa ni Baby Celine na iwan dito. Tapos si Louie. And then, kasi nga sabi ko, guys, wala talaga akong experience pagdating sa pag-aalaga ng mga aso and that. And then, kahapon, naihi siya sa floor. So, doon na. Oh, hey! So, medyo na ako, guys. Nag-message talaga ako kay Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, see, this is what I'm talking about. Ganito, ganyan. And then sabi Daddy Mike na, just give him time kasi he's only a baby and he's only been with us for, 1 day. Pag kauwi ni Daddy Mike dito, he's spending time with Louie kahit nagtatrabaho siya. Basta, alam niyo yung alagang-alaga talaga ni Daddy Mike. Basta, super duper talaga yung care ni Daddy Mike kay Louie. Nakita ko talaga yung difference din. Kasi since yesterday, afternoon and that, umiihi siya. Diyan na sa, ang tawag dito, sa kanyang toilet. Sa gabi, hindi siya umiiyak or hindi ba siya parang stress. Like, I think he's just happy. But, I feel na napansin niya na ako lang yung mag-isa dito sa bahay na parang hindi masyadong ano sa kanya eh. Kasi pag si Ate Paris galing sa school, oh my God, Louie, ganito, ganyan, nilalaro. Daddy Mike all the time, pat him, Louie, you know, I love you. Parang ginaganon talaga ni Daddy Mike, ganon talaga na level. And kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, like, you have to make him feel relaxed and contented and loved, you know, para maging relaxed din siya. So, I think nafe-feel ni Louie na I'm the only one na parang hindi nagbibigay sa kanya ng ganun. So, lumalapit siya sa akin, guys. Parang ano ba, may utak talaga, grabe. Lumalapit siya sa akin, siguro naisip niya, hindi ba niya ako gusto? Ito, so, yeah. But now, we're going to spend the whole day together kasi Ate Paris at school and then si Baby Celine. Oh, you won't believe it, guys. So, I dropped Baby Celine. Nakita niyo kanina, she's happy, no suking at all. Tapos, pag-drop ko doon, may mga yung kaibigan niya, nakita niya, parang, oh, Celine, they're very excited to see Celine. At alam niyo ba, umalis na sila, sabi ko, anak, give mama a cuddle, I'll see you this afternoon. Alam niyo ba, sabi pa niya sa akin, nag-kiss siya sa akin, cuddle, tapos sabi niya, go mom. First time in the history na sinabihan niya akong go mom. So, emotional si mami niyo, medyo na ano ako, na, oh my God, like, she's telling me to go now. It's a good thing, kasi there's no more issue, like there's no more drama na magpayak-iyak siya pag iwan ko, which is very stressful kapag nangyari yun, guys. But at the same time, oh my God, she's learning now. She's getting there, you know, like okay na siya na iwan ko siya doon. But this will be the last week na she goes for 3 days. Starting next week, every Friday na lang siya pupunta, which is I think better sa kanya and sa akin. Naka-message lang ni Daddy Mike sa akin, oh. Kasi yun na nga, hindi ko alam. Si Daddy, since tumatay siya dito, si Daddy talaga yung hands-on kay Louie. Like, wala akong gawa. So, nag-send siya sa akin. Sabi niya, oh, ngayon lang. Feed at 10:30 to 11. 1 tablespoon and half of wet food. Nasa fridge daw. Handful of soaked doggy biscuits. Repeat at 3:30 to 4. Small doggy treats in between if he does something good. Take him downstairs for a walk in the car park every few hours after food so he can poo. Only need to be there for 15 minutes. Or take him in the garage with you. He will just sit around. Kiss, kiss, hug, hug. See? May mga ano na tayo galing kay Daddy Mike. Kasi sabi ko, I don't know what to do. You gotta tell me. But yeah, it seems like it's, you know, having another baby. My goodness. But it's okay, kasi I've got things to do sa garage naman. Now, lunchtime for our Louie. Okay. So we'll follow what Daddy said. Okay? Good boy. Natulog yun siya eh. So, advance chicken red rice. Wash, wash, wash. Waiting. Patiently waiting. We got this as well. Biscuit. We have to wait, okay? Good boy. Such a good boy. Good boy waiting. Good boy waiting patiently. Yeah, it's food time. Yeah, go this way. Go the way. Yummy, yummy food. A good boy. We'll go downstairs quickly. Quick walk for Louie. Walkies. Hey. Hey, hello guys. Dito kami sa baba. Come here. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Such a good boy, you are. Come. Walkies. Walkies. Dito lang muna siya maglalakad, guys. Dito lang sa undercover. Yay! Good boy, Louie. Come. This way. We're gonna go upstairs in 5 minutes, okay? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Aww. Yay! Hey! Kain tayo before natin pick upin yung ating mga girls, guys. I'm very excited because kahapon, hindi lang nag-vlog kahapon. No, I was not feeling the best yesterday. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Pero, bumili ako nito sa Uber Eats. Kasi, I was not feeling well. I feel weak. Sabi ni Daddy Mac, do you need food? Do you want this? Do you want that? Sabi ko, it's okay. I'll just check Uber Eats. So, tingin ako sa Uber Eats. Nag-search lang ako, Filipino. Lumabas itong Filipino restaurant, guys. And, bumili ako ng lechon kawali, tsaka dinuguan. Tsaka halo-halo. Hindi mawawala yan. Pero pagdating dito, kasi medyo malayo yung biyahe, guys, ng Uber Eats driver, nalusaw na yung ating halo-halo. Naging tubig na ang ating halo-halo. Anyways, I still ate it. Sobrang sarap pa rin. So, yung dinuguan kahapon, nakain ko. Yung iba, meron pang naiwan. Yung naubos ko is yung lechon kawali. So, ngayon, kakain tayo nito, iinitin ko, pero hindi ko ilalahat kasi konti-konti lang yung kinakain ko. Kasi hindi ko na uubos. Nasasayang kasi kapag nainit ko na, tinatapon ko na kapag hindi ko naubos kasi it's not good na i-reheat yung pagkain, di ba? So, buti na yung ganito. Meron pa akong pangbukas. Or mamaya. Mama's gonna go pick up Ate, okay? You gonna be a good boy here? Hey? Here. You be a good boy, okay? We will be home soon. Pick up ko na ang ating antivirus, guys. So, ngayon,
I will do it.
girl, nandito tayo sa dentist. Remember, pumunta ako dito the other day? Hindi ako naka-explain sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa, guys. But yeah, I'm just picking up something. I'll show you a bit later. So, it's now 3:26 ng hapon. And ito yung binalikan ko dito, guys. So, hindi ko na... What is it, Mama? Yeah. Hindi ko na-explain sa inyo yung nanggaling ako dito last time. Kasi diba, pinick up natin si Louie. So, what happened was, nung pumasok ako doon, the dentist tried to fix it. Unfortunately, the wire daw is twisted. So, instead of i-reglue niya, ay parang pinutol na lang niya yung wire. Hindi naman lahat. Dito lang naman yung pinaka-dulo talaga. And sabi niya, I don't think it's going to move like your teeth because I've had this retainer, like permanent retainer for at least 7 years now. Sabi niya, I don't think mag-move pa yung tito mo. But, we just wanna make sure, just in case, you know. So, ginawa nila ako ng retainer. So, ayan, pinick up ko.
Sino?
Ganyan pala siya, no? Look, ano. Kinuna nila ng, ano. Ala, may pangalan talaga yung, JSN. Look, ganyan. So, ito yung ilalagay ko sa ngipin ko every night pag natutulog ako. Ganun lang. Every night lang.
Can I feel it?
You can take it off lang from that rubber. Can you take it off? It's plastic. Be careful, ha? Para siyang Invisalign. Ganyan siya, retainer.
Am I gonna put it on?
Kasi sabi niya, very ano na daw yung aking ngipin. Yeah, like this kasi in-scan eh. Kinuna ng ano. Ganyan siya. Oh my God! Punta kami ni Ate Paris dito, guys. Kasi, since nandito na naman kami sa Bulimba, bibili kami yan. Mozzarella hotdog. Close naman sila. Tingnan nyo. PIA. Cafe and restaurant will open soon. Look at that. That made me very excited. Korean and Filipino favorites. Paris! Oh my God. I'm super happy.
What?
So, nag-close na yung daldal. Nag-change na siya, guys.
Okay,
Wow! We have Filipino restaurant closed now, honey. Oh my God. Alams na. Alams na si Mami kung saan pupunta every day.
Mommy, you know what? I was getting bored to get one.
Huh? Yeah, I know. Me too, honey.
That's alright.
That's alright. It's okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Just grab something else, okay?
That's what?
Oh my God, that's so exciting. Alam niyo, di ba, kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung binili kong dinuguan. Sobrang layo pa nun, guys, ang binyahe. And now, oh my goodness, this it's just there, honey. Super close to us. Can you help Lily with hers too, lang? Lini is here now, guys. Pinick up namin sa school and pumunta kami ng petrol station para bumili ng ice cream.
One?
Just give yours to Lini now.
Okay. That's alright. No. This is yours. That's mine.
Okay, give it to Mama.
Hey.
Mama will open. Come on, we'll open it upstairs then.
Hey.
Come on, bring it here, Lynn. Mama will open it for you. Come on. We'll see what Louis is doing. It's been an hour and a half, I think, since umalis ako. Come on, let's go.
That's okay.
How's your day at school, Baba?
Good.
Good? What did you do?
The sand.
Play in the sand? What else? Who did you play with?
Pizza.
Who?
Pia.
Pia?
Yeah.
What's the name of your friends?
Green. Green.
Queen?
And the king is at the hat.
Oh, okay. Aw, good boy! Look! Look at the baby!
Mommy!
Hi, Louie!
Mommy! Can I tell you back now? Thank you. Whoops.
Good job, my baby! Good job, good job, good job! Guys, nagpupo siya sa toilet din niya. No! Good boy! Mama's gonna give you food. Huh? Come. Put it inside. Move a little bit, Ate. So it's not on the door. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good job, Ate. Hold on. Finish. Yeah, you finish Atis. That's Atis. Buang makalangoy.
I finished.
Ala, kabulingit sa lang.
Can you get away from me?
No. Here.
Mommy, but she ate,
Yeah.
but she
Look.
ate the whole thing. I didn't.
Woo!
Oh no. Mommy, I didn't even touch
Ay, ang bata. It's come, Louie. Come, Mama. Salilayo na kayong kalag na. Oh, you're crazy. Okay, okay, yeah. Go, Gary. Go, Gary. Good. Karo, Ate Lini? No, don't run, Lini. Ay. Bantay ka karon, Len. We go pick up Daddy now, okay? Come, get in the car. Come on. Let's get in the car. Come. This way, go. Ate, open the door for him. Kakapark lang namin dito and we are just waiting for Daddy.
It's my daddy.
Has he been a good boy?
My daddy. I got my
Good job.
daddy.
Alam niyo ba guys, ano talaga, anong tawag dito? Meron talagang impact yung aso sa family. Kasi,
I touched my seatbelt.
oh, taxi, but hang on, because like we're not getting off. Because as soon as Daddy calls us, Mama will drive and pick up Daddy. Okay? I'll turn this on because it's a bit hot.
It's not for me.
Kasi, di ba Friday night? So normally, Friday night, pizza night, sa labas kami kumakain. But because this one, we can't really like bring him out. Yes. I asked Daddy Mike kung ano yung gagawin namin. So, it's either we'll get takeaway. Dadalhin namin dalhin namin si Louie ngayon. Tapos takeaway, uwi kami ng bahay, doon na kami kakain.
Mama, can we get takeaway?
Or, we can leave Louie sa bahay, tapos kakain kami sa labas. So we have to make our decision like around him
Mommy.
tonight. And so that's why we have Louie. So hindi pa alam ni Daddy Mike kasi hindi ako nag-reply. So hindi pa alam ni Daddy Mike na dala namin si Louie. So it means we are having like takeaway kasi dala namin siya. And I know na it will make Daddy Mike happy pag kasama namin si Louie. That's why we got Louie with us now. Kasi makakapagpasaya yan kay Daddy Mike. That's for sure.
Oh, and a pet. Here. He wants to be with us.
Lily, give the water.
I put the big scrunchies.
What is he having tonight, Ate?
He's having kangaroo with rice and vegetables. Imagine that.
Love with kangaroo, vegetables and rice.
Lily, come here.
Go with Daddy. You give him water.
Come here. You give Lily water. Come on, put it in here, please. Go ahead. Alright, tight. Can you hold it? Watch out, watch out. Come around.
Can I do two?
Come around, please. Yeah.
Ask Daddy.
Dad, can I do two scoops?
No, 1.5.
What's one then?
Got it?
Yeah.
Half. It means there's just half.
Mommy! Daddy! Is that mine? Is that mine? I'm washing it. Is that mine?
That's not yours, Lily. What's that, mommy?
What's that?
Yeah.
No, that's nothing.
It's Nini's. I'll put it over here.
Okay, and we're having pizza tonight, so as mentioned guys, take away para masama namin si Louie kanina. Hindi kami doon. Sila niya may hawak nito eh. Kinain na yung isang slice.
Okay, I think, come.
And what's this one, Bob?
Capricciosa.
Capricciosa.
Come on.
And that is, what's this one again, Daddy?
Margarita.
Margarita with mushroom.
Hey, here's a Kylie.
Ling, don't be scared. See, have a look. Louie's just waiting for his food.
Yeah.
Look, see, Ati's gonna put the food there and Louie
Go,
is
Tati, go.
going to eat. Okay, go.
Move out the way, Lily. Come.
Here, Ati's here. Louie, here.
Move out the way, the doorstep, please. Lily, look, what's that? Hey, Auntie, out the way. Come on, boy. Good boy.
Let's smash it. He's always hungry.
Yeah, no. He's been biting on his toilet.
Show me, Ate. Ate Paris is so good at drawing the fox now. Show me, where is it?
I'll do it.
Show me. Wow, that's so good. Show Daddy.
Very good, Auntie.
It's really good.
I'll draw it for you and I'll teach you.
Thank you.
I'll teach you how to draw.
Ling. Are you sleepy na?
No. So guys, do this.
Matulog ako.
I'll teach you. So do this.
Mm-hmm.
And draw a head just like this.
Mm-hmm.
Very good boy.
Then draw eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Then draw little eyes. You can do that one however you like. I'll teach you how, and this is how I like my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
A very good boy.
Like this. Then
The tail.
this tail. Then this. Then put away each other. Oh wait, I forgot. Another one.
So good. See? It's very quick, huh? Good job.
I can draw leaves.